Welcome back to Tech by Pike. This is going to be a quick video. I've got a little bit of a surprise today. My 16-inch MacBook Pro came in. Well, actually didn't come in. I went to the Apple store. I was going to order it online, but went to the Apple store here locally, and they happen to have a 16-inch, the only one in the store, and I snagged it right away. This is, like I said, the 16-inch MacBook Pro has the M1 Pro, 10-core CPU, 16-core GPU, the 1 terabyte SSD, 16 gigabytes of unified RAM, comes with the 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display and the 140-watt USB-C adapter. This is going to be a quick video. We're just going to unbox it and take a look at it, and then we'll post some more videos around performance later on, but let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see if we have any kind of sound here. Well, that's a little disappointing. Apple's got to do something about that. Do this. Maybe that makes it better. Alright, let's open this guy up. Alright. Looks good, looks good. Ooh, that's heavy. Set that off to the side. Get all the propaganda. Power brick, and whoa, that is really nice. That is a braided cable. I really like that a lot. Okay, we'll set that off to the side. Let's get rid of this. Let's go ahead and start with the power brick here. $140-watt USB-C power adapter. Alright. Let's go ahead and get the cable. And this has the MagSafe power cable. I have a MacBook Air. I don't use it very often. I use it for work here and there. I typically use my iPad Pro. But on other laptops that are not MagSafe, if I were to hit the power cable by accident, it would move the whole laptop over. With this one, because it's MagSafe and it's magnetic and clicks right in, all that happens is the cable comes unhooked from the laptop, separates from the laptop, and doesn't drag the laptop at all. So that's great. It's a nice safety feature. Well, that's really nice and sturdy and a little bit spaghetti, but it's nice and long, so I like that a lot. Okay. Clean up this mess here. Let's go ahead and jump on the propaganda here. There seems like quite a bit of stuff in here. Okay. MacBook Pro gives you all the different I/O, Touch ID, talks about the FaceTime, the HD camera. That's great. Ooh. Okay, black stickers. I've seen the white ones. I have quite a few of them with all the iPads that I've reviewed, but I don't know if I've ever seen the black Apple stickers before, so that is really new. There's got to be more to this. Okay, so it is some kind of cardboard filler. That is all the documentation there is. Boy, that is really weird. Why would they do that? Okay. Set that off to the side. Let's go ahead and open up the laptop. first of all, that is beautiful. I mean, like I said before, I haven't owned a lot of Macs. I've had it like a MacBook Air, and this is a little more square. The MacBook Air has kind of a slant up front, so this has more of a, I don't know, more of an edge to it, I guess you could say. Let's go ahead and open it and see if it'll open with one finger. Oh yeah. Oh, that's interesting. Nice little thing here. Let's see if I can get that off without. And it boots right up. That is really cool. Wow, look at the colors. The trackpad, that is huge. I'm going to scale out on the camera here a little bit so you can look at that. That is a huge trackpad. Okay. That is a beautiful screen. And I've heard about the notch, and I don't know, there's some controversy about it. I'll work with it for a couple weeks and see if that really bothers me or not, and then I'll talk about it in a video. But I have a sneaky suspicion I won't care. Keyboard.
Chcete-li použít češtinu jako hlavní jazyk, stiskněte.
Om du vill använda svenska som huvudspråk trycker du på returtangenten.
Tryck på retur.
Om du vill använda svenska som huvudspråk trycker du på returtangenten.
Pentru a utiliza româna ca limbă principală,
All right. Well, there you go. So far, so good. Nice thin bezels. You have the notch, like I said. There's a camera there. It's 1080p, I believe. You have a bezel here at the bottom, but it kind of gets hidden once the laptop lid is open. You have some really big speakers here. This thing is rock solid, no flex whatsoever. I mean, it's a Mac, it's an Apple. So that is fantastic. Keyboard is great. Trackpad is awesome. The whole laptop is just aesthetically pleasing. I really like the look of that. All right, let's take a look at the I/O. All right, the I/O on this particular MacBook Pro, on the left-hand side, you have the MagSafe power adapter, 2 USB-C Thunderbolt, and an earphone jack. And it looks like you may have some venting right there. On the right-hand side, you have a full-size SD slot. Hooray! You have another USB-C Thunderbolt, I believe there's 3, and then you have the HDMI port. Some more venting here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Right there. I'm going to lower it just a little bit so you can't see it. Right there. And then in the back as well. Not sure if you can see that, but right along the hinge there, there's some venting. And then underneath here, you have the 4 rubber feet, keeping this laptop a little bit elevated off the desk for better airflow. But because the vents are going out that way, I don't know if that's a big deal. Maybe it is. And it looks like we have some T5 screws? I don't know, I'll have to check that out to remove the bottom plate here, but so far, so good. Boy, that is nice. So we are going to go ahead and boot this up. Wow. I don't know, that has some retention on it. Boy, that holds on to it pretty well. I'm not necessarily sure that if you were to hit this cable, that laptop would violently move. So my theory over the MagSafe connection might be just a theory. Well, that is the unboxing of the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch laptop. I told you it was going to be a short one. There's going to be plenty of videos in the coming weeks about this laptop, performance, benchmarking, all that. So look for those videos. They're coming soon. And that's really it. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more tech videos like this from Tech by Pike, hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it. Helps the channel, and not only that, gives us an opportunity to bring more videos like this to you, and it helps us grow as we go along, and that really is the point of this. So we appreciate it. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one.